Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the RCA Universal Remote model and that your Element TV is plugged in and on. Once done, insert fresh AAA batteries and make sure the battery tab is removed so the remote can transmit full power. You should stand within about 6 feet and face the TV's IR sensor. This minimizes signal loss. Now power the TV on manually so the remote can learn control codes. Next, we'll enter programming mode to send codes and test basic functions. You press and hold the TV button and the setup key together until the LED blinks to indicate programming mode. This tells the remote to accept a code. Next, enter the first manufacturer code for Element using the number keys. These codes map to the TV's command set so the remote speaks the right language. Test power and volume immediately. If volume doesn't respond, try the next code in the list. Make sure to wait for the LED confirmation between attempts so the remote stores the correct code. Once a code works, lock it in by pressing Setup or watching for a steady LED so the remote saves the assignment. This prevents accidental reprogramming. If control still fails, perform an automatic code search so the remote cycles through codes while you watch for a response. Make sure batteries are fresh and you're within range. IR needs line of sight. As a last resort, reset the remote or restore the TV to factory defaults. Then repeat programming. This clears conflicts and ensures a clean setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.